There's a point in every life where everything breaks. Your plans, your confidence, your sense of direction, and in that darkness, it's easy to believe you failed, right? But the truth is failure is not the opposite of success, it's the foundation of it. Failure exposes the truth. It strips away everything fake, the comfort, the pride, the illusion, and leaves you face to face with who you really are. That's the first gift of failure. Clarity, my brothers and sisters. Clarity. Once you've seen the truth, you gain something even greater, resilience. Because you've been broken and still found the strength to rise. You stop fearing the fall. You become grounded, unshakable, unstoppable. That's when you realize failure didn't destroy you, it rebuilded you. Failure is feedback. Every wrong turn teaches you where not to go. Every rejection redirects you closer to your purpose. It's not the universe working against you. It's the universe refining you. And here's the hidden beauty. Failure humbles the ego and awakens wisdom. It softens your edges. It teaches compassion. It makes you listen more, feel deeper, and live truer. And finally, failure closes reinvention. When everything falls apart, you get to rebuild. You get to choose what stays and what never freaking returns. You stop living by default and start living by design. Yes. So when life breaks you, don't run, don't hide. Stand still and listen, because that pain is your teacher, and that lesson is freaking freedom. You're not failing, you're forging, and the version of you that walks out of this storm will never feel the rain again. If this message spoke to you, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. We dive deep into mindset, growth, personal power, digital marketing, because the goal isn't perfection, it's transformation. Take care.